Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide or unhide app in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to hide or unhide any apps, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for home screen settings, and here you will get hide apps on home screen and app screen, and here you just have to select the app you want to hide. And I'm going to hide Facebook. Just select that, then select done. Once you have, you will not find Facebook app on your home screen on app screen. If you want to unhide that, just open your settings again, and here just go for hide apps and home screen again, and here you must have to tap on it and it will be on the right. Just tap on done option, and now you'll easily get Facebook app on your app screen. So that's how you can easily hide or unhide apps in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.